Welcome. In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your battery on your tablet drains way too fast. First of all, enter settings, go to battery and consider using power saving mode. By switching this toggle to the right, you will make your battery work for a longer time. So this is just a quick tip for expanding your battery life range. Now the next thing that you can do is lower your screen brightness. Go to display and brightness section and either set the brightness to the level that is comfortable for you and it's not too low, or just enable automatic screen brightness to let your tablet decide for yourself which brightness level is most optimal one for now. The next thing that you can do is disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or GPS on your tablet when you're not using them, and to do that swipe down the quick settings menu or the control center and disable things like locations, sounds and Bluetooth if you're not using them. This will also increase your battery's lifespan. The next thing that you can do is go to battery, and in battery select launch manager, and then if you think that some applications drain a lot of your battery by working in the background, you can just switch the toggle to the right next to the applications that you want to manage automatically, and this way they will not be working in the background when you don't need them, and your tablet will automatically detect such applications that work too much in the background and will disable them when needed. So it's a pretty useful feature in case you don't want to manage your device all the time. And the next thing is keeping your device up to date. So to keep your device up to date, you have to go to System and Update section, go to Software Update, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and then check for updates. And if you have any updates, then download and install them, and this way your software will stay in touch with your hardware, so your tablet will be more productive and your hardware elements will work the way they are meant to. And that will be all for this video, so I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.